Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Sunday, November 2, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. I'm good, thanks. A bit tired from the weekend. You?
I'm fine. Ready for another busy day? This coffee smells great.
Yes, it does. I need it to wake up. Black, no sugar for me.
Smart choice. I add milk, makes it smoother.
Weekend was relaxing. Mine was quiet. Just family time.
Mine too. Watch some sports, help me unwind.
Good. Work starts early here. Always something to do.
True. Did you see the news this week about inflation?
Yes, I did. Prices rose fast. Fastest since January.
Exactly. Up to 3% now. It's worrying.
The report came out on October 24. From CNN Business?
Yeah. Food and rent costs more. Hits everyone.
Right. Electricity too. Our office bills might go up.
Oh no. That means tighter budgets for sales trips.
For projects too, we plan carefully now.
I feel it at home. Groceries cost more each week.
Me too. I shop smarter. Look for deals.
Good tip. In sales, clients talk about costs a lot.
They do. It affects deals. People buy less. We need to show value. Explain why it's worth it.
Yes. Highlight benefits, keep pitches simple.
Smart. Inflation news makes everyone think twice.
Hope it cools down soon. Economists say watch it.
They do. Government data shows it's steady but high.
Anyway, enough worry. Pass the stirra, please.
Here, hey, lighter news. Nvidia's big win.
What? Tell me.
They hit $5 trillion in market value.
Wow, first company ever. That's amazing.
Yes, from the New York Times, October 29.
AI boom powers it. Chips for tech everywhere.
Right, from $4 trillion in just 3 months.
Fast growth. Our IT uses NVIDIA stuff.
For sure. AI helps in project planning.
Makes reports quicker. Less manual work.
But some worry. AI takes jobs? Controversial.
Maybe in some areas, but creates new ones too.
True. NVIDIA leads in Asia. Trade talks help.
Good for business. More tech for offices like ours.
Yes, imagine AI in meetings. Smart assistants.
Huh? Would save time, no more long notes?
Exactly, but we train it right. Ethical use.
Important? NVIDIA sets the pace. Exciting times.
It is. Makes tech feel close to work life.
Yeah. I follow stocks a bit. NVIDIA's hot.
Careful investing, but inspiring.
True. Back to coffee. This one's perfect.
Glad. Now that royal story? Prince Andrew.
Oh yeah. Epstein scandal again? Shocking.
He gives up his title from recent reports.
Buckingham Palace says so. Moves out of home.
Hosted Epstein in 2006 at Royal Lodge.
Bad choice years ago, but comes back now.
Society demands answers. Accountability matters.
In business too. Trust is key with clients.
Absolutely. One mistake hurts reputation.
Royals face it public. We do in office.
Yes, builds character. Learn from it.
Right. No scandals here. Clean sales.
Haha, good policy keeps teams strong. Epstein case shows connections matter.
Dangerous ones? Yes. Choose friends wisely.
In work, choose partners carefully.
Exactly. Vets clients, checks backgrounds.
Smart practice protects the company.
And us. Feel safer that way.
It does. News like this reminds us.
Hope it ends well. For victims mostly.
Me too. Justice takes time. Anyway, deep topic. Lighten up.
Yes. Coffee break rules. Quick chats.
Perfect your day? Meetings lined up?
2 calls. 1 with new client.
Sounds promising. Close the deal?
Hope so. Prep all morning.
Good luck. My project review at 10.
You'll ace it. Structured as always.
Thanks. Team effort though?
Always we support each other.
Yes, makes office better.
Coffee's done. Time to start?
One more sip. Energized now.
Me too. See you later, Alex.
See you, David. Have a good day.
You too. Stay positive.
Will do. Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.